boys are heading out to buy my first bike. Well, maybe.
Maybe.
Yeah. As per SUZUKI GN 125, 2.5 hour drive. We got some time, but it's gonna be a full send here.
Luckily, Uncle Dave let us use the truck.
Yeah, Uncle Dave did let us use the truck.
We had to ride back in the rain.
Would have had to ride back in the rain. It would have been kind of fun, but
not really.
2 hours, 28 minutes. We about 30 minutes into the trip, made the quick gas stop, $70 in the fucking tank. And that's one step closer to the bike.
You're the conversation, I'm the game.
So we're about 20 minutes out right now. It has been a hell of a drive, so much traffic and just awful drivers. Yeah, 20 minutes out. Oh, look, a motorcycle. And yeah, we're in the middle of fucking Pennsylvania, but
Down by Lancaster.
we're almost there. About to see some Amish people. There it is. Alright. There she is right there. Let's go check it out. Alright, so we are all good to go. Just finished up all the paperwork. Here she is. Little bikey poo.
The project.
The project. It has only just begun.
Come around. What there? Right there.
Yeah, and we'll just put it on its stand.
Like a freaking crackhead.
So we are finally back after that forever long day. It's 8 o'clock. About to unload this bike finally and then ride it to Brandon's place. So Brandon's just putting that top back on. Bike is off the truck and we are ready to go take it up to his place.